Well, this is video number 11. This is bumper replacement. This bumper is hard and I don't like the feel of it, so I'm going to go ahead and just cut a new one, and I'll show you how to do that. Not a big deal. You do have to have bumper stock. I always take the old one and then I take the new tube I'm going to use. I'm going to cut it a hair longer because I did cut a small area out of the comb. So it's a little bit bigger bumper than it used to have. And go ahead and trim it just a hair. It's a little bit too big. I think that one's probably just about right. Let's take a look and see. Does this bumper go on here properly? And can I get it seated into the hole? I can. So I'm very happy with this. It's a tight fit, but that's good. It won't come out. So I'll screw it in, letting it seat properly into the actual mouthpiece here. I'll hold it, bring it snug like that. Should be 100%. I'm going to go ahead and give the slide a little bit more lubrication on its top surface. I'm going to wipe off the bottom surface here. I can go ahead and just redo this quickly. Should be. Everything's good. And there we go. We're into position here. Come out of the slide a little bit. I think we're good. Come down a little bit. Let's see how we're doing. Yep. It's a little bit too long. I can tell because it's a little hesitant in there. And that means that the bumper is bulging. I'm kind of glad to show you this error because it's quite common. If you have a bumper that's grabbing a little bit too much, it's just a little bit too big. So what you do is get the screw off that bumper. I'm going to go ahead and replace this one here with the other one because it's a little heavier duty. And I like that better, so I'm going to come in here like this. That will go into there. And then this one needs to get cut down just a little bit. There we go. Okay, come here, come here. I can screw the bumper on. This one fits pretty tight, but I like that. They have a tendency to not when you're doing that. Okay. See, that's tight enough where it'll just hold in position. And come here, lay the slide here, bring this here. We should be good to go as soon as we can slide in just a hair here. Very nice. Very nice fit. That's the sound I like to hear on the bumper. Just snug. Not too tight, just a hair tight back here. It's very sensitive right now because the instrument's extremely airtight. That's the kind of sound I like to hear. Sounds better.